Here's how to create human scanning effect in CapCut PC. Start by placing your clip on the timeline. Go to the Effects menu and select Video Effects. Search for the Spectrum Skin effect and apply it to your clip. In the Adjustment panel, set the atmosphere to 25, strength to 100, speed to 50, and range to 50. Move the playhead to where the first skin cycle ends and trim the effect segment to remove the repeating loop. Next, go to the Body Effects category. Search for and apply the Face Glitch effect. Set its atmosphere to 0. Position this effect on the timeline to begin when the spectrum skin reaches the face in your video. Again, trim it to end after the first glitch cycle, removing the loop. Now add your verified icon graphic to the timeline at the moment the skin completes. Position and resize it as needed. To animate its entrance, add a scale keyframe at the very start of the icon clip. Move a few frames forward, add another keyframe. Now, set the first keyframe scale to 1%.